Hey there, welcome back to Universe Intelligence, intrepid explorers of science. Are you ready for a new, amazing adventure at the frontiers of knowledge? Fasten your case, let's go! Did you know that Kepler 1007b is one of the most Earth-like exoplanets we've discovered so far? This intriguing world is located about 335 light-years from us and could hold the key to finding extraterrestrial life. Isn't that wild? All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of Kepler 1007b. Discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, this exoplanet is located in the constellation of Lyra. It's about 335 light-years away from Earth, which might seem like a long distance, but in the vastness of space, it's relatively close. Kepler 1007b orbits its star in what's known as the habitable zone, which is the sweet spot where conditions could be just right for liquid water to exist. And you know what that means. Liquid water is a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. So, it's definitely a big deal in our quest to find life beyond Earth. Now here's the thing. While Kepler 1007b looks promising, scientists face some serious challenges in determining whether it's truly habitable. First off, we need to consider the conditions required for life. It's not just about being in the habitable zone, we also have to think about the planet's atmosphere, temperature, and even its geological activity. For example, if a planet has a thick, toxic atmosphere or extreme temperatures, it might not be welcoming to life. Plus, we can't just hop on a spaceship and go check it out ourselves. Our only tools are telescopes and simulations, which can sometimes lead to incomplete or misleading information. So the challenge lies in piecing together all these bits of data to get a clearer picture of Kepler 1007b's potential for habitability. Let's explore what makes Kepler 1007b so intriguing. First off, its size is a key factor. Kepler 1007b is about 1.5 times the size of Earth, categorizing it as a super-Earth. This size could indicate a thicker atmosphere, which might help trap heat and create conditions suitable for liquid water. Speaking of which, let's talk about its distance from its star. Kepler 1007, the star it orbits, is slightly cooler than our Sun, which means that the habitable zone is a bit closer to it. This proximity could mean that if there is water on Kepler 1007b, it might stay in a liquid state. Now let's compare it to another well-known exoplanet, Proxima Centauri b. Proxima Centauri b is also in its star's habitable zone, but it faces issues like stellar flares that could strip away its atmosphere. Kepler 1007b, on the other hand, benefits from a more stable star, which could allow it to hold on to its atmosphere and maintain conditions that are more Earth-like. And we can't forget about the potential for a diverse atmosphere. Scientists believe that if Kepler 1007b has a thick atmosphere, it might include elements like carbon dioxide or even oxygen, which are essential for life. Researchers are currently analyzing the data collected from various telescopes to learn more about its atmospheric composition. It's super exciting because if there are signs of water vapor or other life-supporting elements, it would be a huge indicator that this planet could harbor life. Now here comes the exciting part. Recent findings from telescopes have suggested that Kepler 1007b might not just be another rock floating in space. Data has hinted at the presence of water vapor in its atmosphere, which could mean that conditions on the planet are more favorable for life than we initially thought. Imagine, this could be our first glimpse of a world that might actually support life. Additionally, simulations are being run to model its climate and atmospheric conditions, and the early results are looking promising. The potential for liquid water, combined with a stable environment, makes Kepler 1007b one of the most exciting exoplanets to watch in the coming years. So, to wrap it all up, Kepler 1007b is definitely a fascinating candidate in the search for habitable exoplanets. With its size, location in the habitable zone, and potential signs of water, it could very well be a place where life might thrive. The ongoing research in this area is crucial, as it helps us understand not just Kepler 1007b, but also the broader universe and our place in it. Every new discovery about this planet brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? What do you think? Do you believe Kepler 1007b could support life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to subscribe and to check out our other videos where we explore even more amazing exoplanets and space phenomena. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another mind-bending adventure.